Alrighty, how y'all doing today? This is my first batch of homemade board butter for cutting boards and any food grade areas. Actually came out really, really good. It's good consistency if you see. See how it's soft but firm, okay? And that's what you want because you want it to be able to be soaked into your wood, okay? So you want it not like hard wax, okay? I'll go through what's all in it. Here's my recipe for the board butter here. Beeswax, carnauba wax, mineral oil, and lemon oil. And from what all the research I can do, these seem to work best for me in these amounts. But you may have to vary it, depending on your product and what you're using to make it. But yeah, that came out really well. I tried it on this piece of black walnut, and you could tell this is treated, this is not. I got it on my fingers, but I think it's got a nice satin sheen to it. Look at that. That came out pretty good. And this is just one thin application. I let it sit for about 10 minutes and then I just buffed it off. And that's nice. There's not like a waxy feeling coating. That came out really good. And that's just with this mineral oil, lemon oil, carnauba wax flakes, and 100% beeswax. Worked out well. The next batch I'm making here is a waterproof version, and it uses the beeswax, the carnauba, but you need to put a solvent in it, so that's where the mineral spirits comes in. And then the linseed oil adds that nice, rich, that it should be a little bit of a darker soak than that. And then I put 3/4 of a cup of Hellsman polyurethane, and that should give it a waterproof coating. And after, I recommend about 2 or 3 coats. And then if it's something that's outside, reapply that. So, because this stuff, it'll wear off eventually. And you got to reapply anything that sits outside. But that's what I've been up to. And we're in the process of melting. This has all the ingredients: the urethane, the mineral spirits, the boiled linseed oil, both of the waxes. The only one I didn't put in it is lemon oil. Okay. I figured with the urethane, it's going to kind of block the scent anyways. So we're going to leave that one out of this one. But yeah, that's what I'm up to. I'll make a video with that one and let you know how that one turns out. But as far as the regular board butter goes, this works better than these. Like, this leaves it looking good, okay? But I can't get that nice luster. I mean, granted, this is black walnut, but man, my butter does way better than these two here, and this is made for butcher blocks. But I don't know, you tell me, what do you think? That's pretty nice. Bring out all that grain and even a little sheen. I like it. Let me know what you think. Happy farming, y'all. Later.